Okay, hi everyone. So we're going to start on question 7. This one says Robinson Company is making a small part that it used in one of its products. The company's accounting department reports the following costs of producing the part internally. And then we have actually a percentage. This might be kind of new to us. Total of 75% of the traceable fixed manufacturing overhead cost consists of depreciation of special equipment, and 25% consists of supervisor salaries. Special equipment has no resale value and does not wear out through use. So we kind of talked about that earlier with salvage value, that when we have no resale value, there's not really any benefit in the long run. So we won't get any money back for that equipment. The supervisor salaries could be avoided if the production of the part were discontinued. So that's actually good, because that means we might have some potential costs that we can eliminate here. So it says an outside supplier has offered to sell the parts to Robinson Company for $30 each, based on an order of 5,000 parts per year. So our question is, should Robinson Company accept this offer, or should they make the parts internally? So let's get started on it. So I actually am going to change something here. So we're going to do this on like a per product, and then we're going to multiply it up to 50 5,000. So this is going to be per unit, and then this is going to be for 5,000 units. So it's a little bit different than the solution that you might have seen. So here's the thing, is that we're going to have to deal with percentages on some of these. So let's start with just the information we do know. So the direct materials we know are variable. It said that in the problem. And it would be $15 for the direct materials. And then it would be $10 for the direct labor. And then $2 for the variable manufacturing overhead. And then this part is where it's going to get a little bit complicated, because we have $4, but only 25% of it is actually avoidable. Only 25% is the supervisor salaries. So 25%, we would multiply 25% times 4, and we know that's $1. So the cost, oh, and then we have fixed manufacturing overhead allocable. So whenever we see this word allocable, that just means that it's like taking a big cost and just putting a little bit of the cost with the product. So that's actually not avoidable. So that isn't really going to be a part of our decision. So I just wanted to put that there so we remembered that. So let's add this up for the make. And so, wow, I didn't line those up very nicely. Sorry about that. So it's going to be 13 plus 15. That's 28, right? Let's see. 25. Yep. Okay. 28. And then we have the option to purchase them for $30 each. So that would be $30. Okay. So the solution shows it on the for 5,000, so we're going to do that as well. But just from this, we actually know that the one we'd want to choose is the $28, just because we don't really have any other facts. But if we were to go up to 5,000, we just multiplied everything by 5,000. So to buy it, it would be 150,000. And then all of this other stuff we'd multiply by 5,000. So 15 times 5,000 is 75,000. And then 50,000, and then we have 10,000, and then 5,000. So the totals for these two, so we get 140 for the make, and then 150 for the buy. So as I said, this would be the one we'd want to choose. So we'd want to make it. I'll highlight those. Those are the ones we'd want.